Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. And also, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, you will find the link to the Telegram channel. Click on the link, follow us on Telegram because we will be putting some updates for you guys there on that channel. Now let's take a look at gold, what we should be expecting on gold there for the next day. At first, we can see gold has literally been giving us this downward movement. You can see it has been dropping right to the extent it dropped to a level of 1810. If you have been following this channel consistently, we predicted it how it will be moving right, how it will drop, it will give us the pullback. Also, how it will drop to a level of 1810, then give us a massive bullish move. Guess what? We had that movement. Now, when you take a look at something right that is going to happen very soon on gold, gold is now giving us a reversal move. We can see that from this move here, it was a bullish move, right? Market was pushing up, but right now we will start expecting that bearish move on gold. So gold will start dropping anytime. It has already started. So gold bearish move has already started. So let's take a look at this move, right? So we can see that this is kind of like the resistance level, which, if you have been following this channel consistently, you would have seen how I lighted this level. I mean, if you take a look at this, a major level when market gets to it, must definitely react. So we can see that it was once the resistance level at this level here, and once the support, it was once a support level. Also, it was once a resistance level. So market has been reacting to this level. When market goes to this level, we had a reaction, right? The market broke above it. Market gave us a pullback, right? Which came to test this level and reacted. Guess what? Market's supposed to continue that movement to the outside. And guess what? It did not break this previous higher highs. It did not break it. As long as this market does not break it, then we need to be very skeptical on this move. The market came to test this level again. Guess what market did after testing this level? It broke below it. That is a confirmation that market is now giving us a reversal movement, meaning this uptrend move is now weak. We should now be watching out for a downtrend move. And this downtrend move is now playing out. So all we just have to be doing is just let's see a pullback to come to test this level. Once a little bit of a pullback is made, then we cannot continue the movement to the downside. So our speculation on gold is now to the downside. So just a little bit of a pullback to come tap this our 10 period or 20 period simple moving average, then we should see another movement to the downside. So gold should be giving us a drop. So let's see if we can probably spot some good levels. Probably, gold might start dropping from here, which I doubt it. I don't think gold will start dropping from here. It should push up a little bit, right? If it can push up a little bit, then you can now start watching for drop. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to give you guys an update on the Telegram. Let's see how it goes. So follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.